What up, what up, what up? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Working on challenges again, second live stream. Thank you all for joining yesterday. That was pretty fun. Yeah, what up, Dave? Let's work out challenges today. Same thing, TakeProfitTrader. Got 5 challenges going. What up, M5? Kind of just chopping around in this range right here. It's like a 30-point range. Yeah, the live stream was pretty sick yesterday. I kind of like it. It's pretty fun. Yeah, M5. Yeah, I see you with that TakeProfitTrader account. Yeah, you're pretty close, man. Yeah, once you get it funded, that would be a great way to start the new year. Just be disciplined with it. Take it slow. What's up, Grizz Trades? Yeah, today was better price action. Yesterday was pretty tricky in the morning, but we got some momentum now. But it fell back into this range, so it's just chopping around in this range.
Order filled.
Take a short right here. Should have 1 mini. Tight stop. 11 points. What's up, Real Link? Shorty right here, looking for a fall back into this range, but it looks like we're gonna get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. All good. Small loss. The reason I took a short right here is looking to fall back into this range. It's a nice 30-point range right here. Looks like it's breaking out the range. What's up, Mr. Wee? Yeah, I think ES is at all-time. Isn't it all-time highs or something? Let me look it up. Spy. Yeah, I think it was this morning. Holy. Pretty good. Just took one small loss so far. Nothing crazy. Yeah, we could see that push back up to these highs now. Yeah, this is a nice momentum up right here. Just gonna be patient, see where it wants to go. Nice. Yeah, we had some good momentum right here. Big push up to the upside right here. Cat's crying right now. Trying to break out this range here. Coming back down here, let's see what it wants to do. I have like a little Puerto Rican in me, but yeah, nothing crazy. Mainly half Filipino. Yeah, but I'm trying to get some funded accounts going for this year. MNQ. Yeah, MNQ is pretty good. NQ. Cat's got the zoomies right now. Alright, retesting the top of this range right here. Let's see if it wants to come back into the range or break out highs up here. Yeah, if they can hold this line, keep closing above it, yeah, we can see a bigger push up. Look like it's kind of holding right now for now. Yeah, I really want to get these take profit traders passed because we need 5 days to trade them. And then if we have 500 accounts, that'd be pretty nice. We just need to get to the buffer though on the funded. Jordan, probably Tradeify or MyFundedFutures, probably because it's like end of day drawdown. TakeProfitTrader, it's a good firm, but the trailing drawdown on the funded is a bit hard for a newer person. It's just a lot harder to trade. So you probably want to go with like an end of day drawdown account. Probably like a 50K would be good. Like, yeah, Tradeify or MyFundedFutures probably, or Lucid. Anything with like an end of day drawdown. Yeah, Bob, they had that like 90% off sale, $20. Can't beat it. That's pretty cheap. Really cheap. Holy crap. Alright, just being patient right now, y'all. Just not gonna force anything. It's kind of just chilling right here. Nice real link. Yeah, FT Mill, I heard they were gonna do the futures last year, but I haven't heard anything from that since. No bookback M5. Just straight price action and levels right now. Alright, testing this right here. Let's see if it wants to break. No problem, Jordan. Bessie, you cannot copy trade with brackets on Tradovate when you're copy trading. Like if I'm copy trading like this, you can't do the brackets, unfortunately. I have no idea why they haven't fixed that. So you need to do it manually. So it's like, let's say I'm long right here, right? Let's say I'm long. Pretend this is my order. I would have to do it manually. Like, okay, here's a take profit. I have to do like, there's my take profit, and then this is my stop loss. You have to do it manually, unfortunately. Yeah, I heard trade day is pretty good. And then also like trade day, I think once you're above the buffer with a funded account, I think you can get payouts on day one, I'm pretty sure. Just not really seeing my setup right now. Link. Yeah, Tradovate is pretty old school. I still like it. It's pretty simple to use. Quantower I really like. I like Quantower. Captigrade, yeah. Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes, like, the market is just a little too fast for me sometimes. It depends how I'm feeling today. But I try to be done by, like, 10, 11 max PST. Like, max. But I try to trade for, like, 1 to 3 hours max, but ideally, like, 1 to 2. Alright, seeing a breakout up here. Let's see what to do. Yeah, we're on 550k challenges. Jordan, I'm just using the built-in trade copier for Tradovate right now, just because I'm trading only one firm. If I was trading multiple, I would do the Tradesyncer. $25,695. Yeah. Yeah, maybe, yeah. It lines up with like my level or like entry criteria, and then like if it has like a good risk to reward. If I'm risking like 10, 15 points, I want to make ideally like 20, 30 points on that play. Like wait for a better entry, honestly. Because if you just jump in, like you could be missing out on like 10, 15 points, which could add up a lot. Hey, thank you, Hodge. Appreciate it. Yeah, 2026 could be a good year for us. So come on, we're gonna get it going. Get the community going, growing it, getting better one day at a time, each day, every day. Yeah. The order filled sound, I love that thing. It's like order filled. Yeah, I get nightmares with that sound. Order filled. What up, Trunks? Kind of just stalling right here. Nvidia's coming back down right now. But NQ's pushing up, it's diverging. SPY is moving up. Maybe I should stream a little earlier for y'all. Maybe. Because the price action is slowing down. But trading since 2023. I traded options that year. 2024 futures propfirms. 2025 was the futures propfirms too. Yeah, but 2023 was just like pretty much all options. and then I lost a lot, and then like near the end of the year, I discovered propfirms from my brother. Shout out my brother. Told me about propfirms, and I got with Top Step. Then I got my first funded account. I started in November, and I got my first funded account in late December of 2023. And then I got my first payout in January 2024. It was like $7,200. Alright, new 5-minute candle. Looks like it still wants to push up. Yeah, M5 nice. Yeah, I got with Apex like four or 5 months after I started trading prop firms. Yeah, 20. That's a nice payout, M5. That was the 150K account, right? Right now I'm just waiting for a. I'm not really seeing a whole much. Just waiting for a good entry. Not gonna try and force anything, but I like that setup for long. Just waiting for a good entry spot to get in on. Took a short right here, loss. Got stopped out 10, like 12, 13 points. Yeah, I think so. It definitely was psychology, and then also just like horrible trading. A lot of bad habits, like taking off daily loss limit, over trading. It was just like pretty bad. All right, let's see if it wants to break out above here. $2024, I didn't focus at all on the money. I just traded, straight up traded. And whatever I got, I got. Yeah, Grace Trades. Those payout caps on the Top Step, they didn't have those. Those are, dude. People were getting like, some people got like 100 grand payouts. They ran to like a 40-50K balance. Yeah, and like 20. I think, yeah, they were like getting big payouts. It definitely was market condition as well. It's like everything, because like completely different markets back in from 2024 and 2025. Like 2025, there's a lot of tariffs and everything. Like in this breakout right here, a lot of buyers stepping in. But yeah, the tariffs in 2025 was like failing to adapt to the different markets. It was very volatile at the beginning, like especially in like March, April. It was like really huge candles. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I try to be transparent as possible, because I know there's a lot of like fake people in trading, and I'm literally just a normal guy. I'm literally just a normal dude. Like, I'm literally just a normal guy documenting the journey. That's literally it. And I'm like, I always started had that mindset, like, if I could do it, so could you. Yeah, 20 funded accounts with Apex. I mean, you can't deny, like, 50K account, 2 grand each. That's a 40 grand payout. It's like just stacking base hits. Yeah, that was a good buy entry. Yeah, that's smart, M5. Yeah, because I noticed when I have like 2025, I was like, I need to get straight 300 plus minimum. I was aiming for like 400 or 500, and then I'd just blow hella shit. Yeah, a lot of people were like full porting. They would literally just full port on a big setup, 10, 15 minis. Yeah, they went crazy with that. I think I usually average like a 1 to 2 risk to reward, Jonathan. Like a 1 to 2 RR. Looking for a long entry right here. Want to wait for like a pullback around this area, around the 730s, possibly. But just gotta be careful of pullback if it does pull back down to the 715 area. We got a new 5-minute right now.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in a long right now. Do a tighter stop like 10 points. Looking for a push up back to the highs of the day right here. SPY's pushing up. Nvidia's kind of just looking like it wants to push out from the bottom right there. Jonathan, probably like just have like a disciplined plan. Stick to your rules. Just be disciplined. Take it slow. Don't like jump the gun and be like, I need 10, 20 accounts. Just take it slow. Get one account. Get used to it. Get a payout. Do good. Then, yeah, you can scale from there. My mistake was like, I'll get like 2025, I'll get like 10, 20 accounts and just put it all. I'm like, all right, we got to get this big payout. Get big payout. I just kept focusing on that. And then when I was like up on the day, I wasn't happy. I was like, I need more. I was like, greed. It was like just like horrible, like very sloppy year for me. 2025, very, very, very sloppy. But that's why I'm like, I also want to do the live streams because it puts me in check, right? Like, I don't want to screw up and break all my rules live in front of everybody, right? Like, so I think this is good too. And then you guys can hopefully learn from it. And we can all grow together. I think, yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, so many people were pushing me to go live 2024, and I was like, I don't know. I was just so like hesitant and scared. Yeah, trading is a very, very, very long-term game. Very long-term. Don't try and get rich quick on this. You gotta go like years from now. Where do you see yourself like 5, 10 years from now? Hey, thank you, Port City. Glad to hear that. I really appreciate using the code. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I remember that M5. Yeah, I've been there. You get like a big payout, and you're like, shit, I could do this. Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna start going heavy, buying a bunch of accounts. But yeah, just take it slow. Even if you get like a payout, you don't have to scale yet. Just keep that account alive. Practice good habits. I think that's my problem, is like not keeping the accounts live enough as well, like for the long run. Not like building a buffer. We're just chilling at 5 points right now. Probably target like 760 area. That'd be nice. I like the closing above this level right here, making a higher level up, like that. Hey M5, you just learn from it, man. It's all good. It's in the past. If you did it before, you can do it again. Just take it slow, you know. Yeah, trading is very, very streaky. It's like you'll go on like streaks a lot. Like you'll go on cold streaks, you'll go on hot streaks, you'll run good. Just knowing like on the downside, like knowing when to take the foot off the gas, you know. I mean 70K, yeah, great trade, that's really good. 70K. But that's what happened with a lot of people last year. Like they would do like really good for like a few months, and then like A lot of the other months were like really bad. Damn, 3 years? That's very impressive. Yeah, that's very, very impressive. Keep an account alive for 3 years with a prop firm, that's very, very impressive. It happens, Damien. You just gotta go back to the drawing board. Get back on your feet. Take it slow. Alright, we got a new 5-minute 9:30 candle. Still liking this closure. Still liking this closure for longs on this. Yeah, I like Lucid. Lucid's pretty good. I got 550k challenges with them. I haven't traded them yet though, so I don't know when I'm gonna trade them yet. Yeah, I like this closure still for long. I really like that. Really push up. We could definitely see the 760s area. It's a nice gap right here. 25 points. Risking 10 to make around 25 or so. Just gonna need more momentum. But I like the closure. Keeps hesitating right here. I want to see this break right here. Alright, nice. Starting to get momentum. 10 points. Yeah, risk management is very key. I was not doing that last year very well. Yeah, I like this. I still like this long Orin. Closing above these levels right here. This is a big level, and I remember this morning it broke down, and then it started pushing down. So, still like this for long. But I could have got a better entry, yeah. But I still like it. We could definitely push up to the highs of the day. Definitely hit the 760 area. Yeah, I'm also not a fan of all-time highs. It's very tricky price action, in my opinion. Because, like, you don't really want to short the top because you have no idea. And then when it's breaking up all-time highs, you don't know where it's going to go. It's at all-time highs. Manual, these are 50k. We got 5 50k challenges. These are challenges with Take Profit. They're basically brand new. We started them yesterday on stream. Okay, nice momentum right there. We're gonna move our stop loss to break even. Nice push right there. We're up 15 points right now. At our peak, we're up 20. I still like this for long. I could see it tapping up here. Port City, I'm in California on the West Coast. NorCal. Yeah, my vlogs, yeah, we have the beach. We have a lot of hiking trails. The lakes. Ocean. It's pretty cool. I like it. Got a little glitch right there. Trunk, these are just like the levels I play off of. I just play at the 5-minute one day right here. Consistency where it taps off of. Alright, nice. We got 25 points right now. We're gonna move our stop loss to 15 points in profit. Nice push right here. Alright, we're gonna either exit soon here. I want to see a break up right here. We need just some more momentum, but might get out soon. Just be patient with it. Watch it carefully. Alright, we got a new 5-minute, 9:35 candle. Right now we're at 25 points. Nice close, nice close, nice close. Liking this closure, new 5-minute. Next area, probably like 775 right here. 25, 70, 75. See a push up there. Might see a break highs of the day. We'll see, but we got a stop loss in 15. 15 points in profit. We move our stop to 20 points. Yeah, this is a nice. If it wants to keep ripping, we can let it rip. But if we stop out at 20 points, I'll still be happy with it. Discord, yeah. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's in the description down below. It's free Discord community. We're at like 950 members, I think. Fresh Delgado, we're gonna go with the pro accounts because I don't think they have the experts anymore. Yeah, we're gonna go with the pro. The pro are basically like the same thing, but you could have 550Ks. So I'm looking to do that with the MyFundedFutures, and yeah, we'll probably go with that. It's basically like same thing as the experts. All right, nice. We're at 30 points. See a push up to 70, 75s right here, so. Nice trade. Hey, thanks, Nick. Hey, I appreciate you. I remember you. I remember you DM me on Instagram checking in on me. I really appreciate you, man. Thank you, Nick. I really appreciate you tuning in. JPM, these are 50K challenges. We got 5 going right now. TakeProfitTrader. Jeez, negative 10 degrees Celsius is crazy. Alright, nice. Move our stop loss. We're going to move our stop loss to 30 points in profit. Very nice. 40 points, looking at the highs of the day right here. We want to see a push up. If we could continue going up. If not, we can lock it in at 30. But I want to give it a little room to breathe. Nice. 45 points. Just go let it work. Port City, I just like NQ. I don't know, I just always traded NQ. I liked it, so I stuck with it. So I'm like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Nothing wrong with ES. My brother trades ES now. My brother used to trade NQ, then he switched to ES, and he likes it a lot better. But I'm just sticking with NQ right now. It's just like a personal preference thing. Alright, nice. We're almost at 50 points. Yeah, we're at 50 points now. We're going to move our stop up more. 75s. Alright, stop loss at 40 points. because we could see a retracement back down here. We got to be careful for a pullback. So I'm just going to put our stop loss at 40 points just to be safe. If it wants to keep ripping, we can let it rip more. Yeah, NQ is a little more fast, definitely. Yeah, 100% more fast.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Nice 40-point trade, y'all. I think we enter like right around here. I think... Or we enter here. Somewhere. We entered here or here. And then, yeah, that was a nice push up. I'm liking these break of structure. Took a first loss right here. Got stopped out. Broke out the range. This is a nice 30-point range. So we had a nice RR. We only risked 10 points. Then second trade, we took a nice long, breaking up, staircasing up, following the pattern. I really like this closure above this level. New 5-minute. Entered long. Then boom. Nice play right there. 40 points. Yeah, let's get a real link. Hey, I wish everyone a blessed, very 2026. Let's all grow together, get better one day at a time. That's all. That's what it's all about. Profit split, yeah, they switched to 80-20 split, which I'm not a fan of, but still good. You could have 5 50K accounts. Nice M5. M5, how many MMQs are you trading? Because I do trade MMQ when it's like really, really volatile, like moving very fast. But most of the time I'll do minis. It depends how fast it's moving. Yeah, I appreciate you, Nick. Really appreciate you. Hey, what up, Mad Cal? Hey, very nice. Very nice, real link. Better Tradeify or TakeProfitTrader? If you're more like a beginner, I'd probably go with Tradeify just because it's end of day drawdown. And you don't have to trade 5 days for the challenge. But if you're a little more advanced and you want daily payouts, I mean, yeah, TakeProfitTrader is pretty good. But Tradeify has that select option so you can have daily payouts as well. So it's like, yeah, I'd probably go with Tradeify, honestly. Just because it's end of day drawdown and you can have a select account. The 5-day payout option is like Top Step, and then they have a daily payout option, and then you can have 5 accounts too. So that's great. Hey, thank you, Matt Cal. Yeah, that was a nice that was a nice long right here. Very nice. Thank you, M5. Yeah, 5 micros is pretty good. I like that too because 10 points is $100, so it's easy math. Yeah, if it's moving really fast, I'll trade like 5 micros. But we're just trading a mini today. It's slowed down. We're up overall 25 points on the day. Pretty good so far. We took a loss right here, then a nice long. Yeah, end of day drawdown is very big. You definitely want it's a lot better, honestly. I do not like trailing drawdown. I really do not like it. Nice real link. Hey, what accounts you got with MyFundedFutures? You got the Rapid or Core, or you got the Pros? That's good. Yeah, you can pass in 2 days with those. Orin, most of the time it's 10 to 15 points usually. But if it's moving faster, like more volatile, I'll generally size down and have a wider stop. But most of the time on NQ, I'll have like around a 10-15 point stop. $2 p.m. Eastern? Yeah, I know it's 3 hours fast. Let me look it up. What time is 2 p.m. is 11 a.m. for me, so that's in almost an hour 15 minutes. Hour 17. Yep. Killer automation. The core accounts are good. They're pretty good. They're pretty cheap too. So I like that with MyFundedFutures. But for me, I like the pro accounts just because it's basically like the expert accounts. No consistency on the funded. You don't have to trade like crazy. You don't need like certain winning days. You could just trade like once a week. So, and there's no consistency. So if you have like a big day, like you make a good amount, you can kind of like flip it for the pro accounts, like the experts, which is nice. Cause like last year with the experts, like if I had like a really big day, and I'm like, you know, I got like a 9-10 grand payout, it's like, why force it? Like, just trade, because you need to trade once a week with them on their accounts. Yeah, make sure you do that with MyFundedFutures. You need to trade once a week with those accounts. You could just like lock it in, like let's say I made a good day, I got 9 grand locked in. Next week I just trade just do like one trade one day, and yeah, the payout's locked in. Yeah, core accounts they're pretty good. I'm not hating on them. They're really nice. They also added the rapid 100 and 150k accounts. See what price wants to do. Bouncing right up here. No, I said good job, Real Link. Yeah, I said good job. That's good. That's good, man. That's a great way to start the new year. Got a funded account in 2 days. Top Step accounts are good, but I don't know. Like if I were to trade with them, it's like I don't know. I'd rather get the Tradeify, because if you want to do the Flex add-on, and then you can trade on Tradovate, so you don't have to deal with ProjectX if you don't like that. Yeah, Oren, the only thing you gotta watch out with Top Step is like the platform and their customer service as well. Can we talk? I started trading when I was 2023. I was born in 2000. I turned 26 on Sunday. So, yeah, my birthday was 2 days ago. So I turned 26. I'm 26 now, so basically 3 years. Yeah, 3 years or so. Do I drink alcohol? I only drink like if I'm at like a family party or like maybe a restaurant. I don't drink very often. Like maybe like once a month, if that. But I made a bet with my girlfriend. I literally made a bet with her that I wouldn't drink the whole entire year. So that's gonna be very interesting. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. I never had a drinking problem, but it's just good to stay sober and all that. Damn, watch it, didn't you gotta pay tax on that? I didn't know you had to pay taxes on Top Step. I'm in California. I don't have to pay tax on it. Alright, we might see a break back down into this range. It looks like it might come back down. We'll see. Stay off the trade right now. We're already at 25 points. We're at 500 on the day. That's pretty solid. 1 win, 1 loss. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. 15 bucks. That adds up really quick. All right, we're seeing move back down to the range right here. Yeah, Jesse, I'm full-time. I went full-time late 2024. And then, of course, 2025, I did, like, absolute shit. I think that was also, too, like, I had more added pressure. Because I had the shoe business going. Because I sold shoes full-time for, like, 3, almost 4 years. That was my full-time job, and it paid very well. But the shoe market went down really bad. And then I got into trading. So I was doing, like, trading and shoes. And then I went full-time trading. And I'm pretty much out of the shoe business, unfortunately. It was a very, very fun business, honestly. I met a lot of cool people. It was a very... I never thought of it as work. I could do that all day with the shoes. Yeah, can we talk? I could probably make a video about my story or so. I started with a 9 to 5. Literally my first job was a dishwasher. I left after the first day because the owner treated me like absolute shit, and I was like, I'm not doing this for $12 an hour. Fuck this. I was in high school, and then after high school, yeah, I can make a video about it. But after high school, I got a 9 to 5 job, like working at office, filing papers and stuff. And then I got into the shoe business, and then I'm here. Sketch, that's up to you, my brother. Nice, M5. Just take it slow. Look for an A+ setup. Don't force it. No, I know people are making really good money with Pokemon, but I don't know. I don't have any desire for it, or I don't know anything about it. So, a lot of the shoe people went to the Pokemon. A lot of my shoe reseller buddies, a lot of them moved to Pokemon. How much do you need to go full time? It really depends on you, but I would have at least minimum 6 months of expenses saved just in case, because going trading full time, it's a lot. It's really stressful. It's very nice having another job, another source of income coming in. It makes it way less stressful. It keeps your mind off it. You're not constantly stressed and focused on trading. That's why I kind of want to do. I want to do like more live streams, because it like gives me something to do, talk to you guys. I can still trade and then ease my mind off things and talk to you guys as well. Well, that's why we're live streaming. Hey, that's nice, Sketch. I really appreciate you. Yeah, the owner, when I first got my job, she literally yelled at me and treated me like crap the first day, and I was like, I am not dealing with this. $12 an hour? Hell no. So I appreciate you, Sketch. Hey, what type of food are you in? No, I don't trade gold. I pretty much just trade NQ, honestly. A+ setup, it depends, it just depends. I do 4 different strategies basically. So if I see a nice setup, it's hitting a good level of mine that I like, it has a nice risk to reward, I like the volume, yeah, I'll enter on it, Hey, that's cool, M5. Yeah, we got a lot of restaurant owners in here. Shit, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Damn. You going? Yeah, I've been going on walks a lot. There's a nice trail near my place. I go on walks there all the time. It's so nice. Get 10,000 steps a day. It's very nice. I love walking and hiking in nature, especially a hiking fishing lake. It's really nice. I haven't gone to Mill Valley though. I want to try walking in other places, nice areas. Hey, I love pho. Pho is pretty good. I have a local spot that I go to. It's pretty nice. Nope, toxic work environments are very bad. Yep. You treat everyone how you would want to be treated, so I appreciate you, Sketch. Yeah, you treat everyone with respect, Market's kind of just slowing down right now. Can either move up or down right here. It's kind of just chilling in this range. It's going to stay out for now. Not really going to see a setup right now, so just being patient. The daily payouts for Tradeify, I think you just need to pass a challenge with the rules. There's a 40%... freaking cat here. A 40% consistency rule. And then I think the challenge, the funded account, I think there's not a lot of rules. You could just trade it and you can get a payout on first day, daily payout. There's payout caps. There's definitely payout caps. Yeah, we got the 10 o'clock candle coming in 5 minutes. We got a new 5-minute coming in 10 seconds. So we're just going to be patient. Usually we get some little momentum at the 10 o'clock candle usually. Yeah, Kig, I pretty much do like pretty much all in the 5-minute. Like sometimes I look at the hourly, you know, and like the 4 hour. Here we got the hour chart. It's at a big area right now actually for the hourly. Big reject spot right there. Look at that. It rejected numerous times there. 85. If we could push above 785 probably, we could see maybe a pusher up, higher up. 785. Yeah, we literally tapped that right after the day. Look. Tap that hourly level right there. See, look at that. And then it literally just like back down. So we got to see. It's kind of just like in the middle right here. So I'm just staying out. Yeah, the 50Ks, they're nice. I like them because you can copy trade 5 of them. Same thing, they're cheaper. They're easier to pass. But yeah, $2,000, it's not a whole lot to work with, honestly. Like, even with one mini, like, that's like 3-4 bad losing days in a row, and then you're pretty much done. That's if you follow your rules, you know. But, like, yeah, killer automation, you could just go with, like, the... I don't really use the 100Ks ever. I either do like 50K or 150K. It's like, I just go out to either or. Yeah, but we got a big hourly level right there. 785 right there. 25, 785. Big reject area right around there. So, let's see what price wants to do. San Jose has a lot of good food places. Yeah, I gotta try that. San Jose, full San Jose. Yeah, I'll try that next time. Thank you. Yeah, they have a lot of food challenges there. Hey Javier, have you seen the 5-pound burrito with iguanas? I completed that challenge in 2018. I think they're out of. I don't know if they closed or not. Iguanas. It was a freaking 5-pound burrito. I got a free T-shirt. Like 5-pound burrito, bro. Yeah, micros. Yeah, definitely. If you want to stay alive longer, definitely micros for the 50K. But for challenges, I definitely want to pass a little faster, in my opinion. That's just me. That's why I'm like trade a little fast, bigger size. Yeah, the 50K, I mean, it just, whatever the market gives me, I'm not going to force anything. Like, the max I can make on this account for the day is 1,500. So we're up 500 a day, so it's like, and I got to trade 3 more days with these accounts because I need 5 trading days. So I'm not tripping if we don't see another setup, honestly. I'm not going to force it. Yeah, iguanas, unfortunately, they closed last year. Yeah, it's like a 5-pound burrito. Oh man, that thing was sick. Yeah, that 785 area, 789 right here, that's a big level it keeps bouncing off of. So I want to see what it wants to do. All right, we got the new hour candle. We got the 10 o'clock candle coming in 30 seconds or so. Peter, I do not. I don't. I want to get into volume trading. I just need to find time for it to learn it. Because I think with my trading style, and then like if I get good at volume and finding volume, I think it would work very well together. I think it would. SPY is pushing up all-time highs. I think it's at all-time highs right now. SPY keeps pushing up. Nvidia is back down right now. Nvidia's kind of chopping down. Kinva, I pretty much do breakouts, break and retest, bounce plays, and then just going with the trend. And I just play off these 5-minute levels that I mark out here. That's pretty much like what I do. I don't do it like any fancy strategy, honestly. Price kind of just shopping around here, just being patient for y'all. Not going to force anything. I don't want to promote bad trading habits and just jump in randomly, you know. So we're just going to stay on our hands for now until we see a good setup. But how's you guys 2026 going so far? You guys got funded accounts? Or are you working on challenges? Or what's going on? I'm trying to stock up on some funded accounts right here. Yeah, I want to trade these funded, get these to funded, then trade them live for you guys. Hopefully take payouts or something. What hours do I go live? Yesterday and today I went around live around 9 a.m. PST. I'm trying to find a good time schedule to start at consistently. But we're definitely going live a lot this year. I want to get this out for y'all. Stay consistent for y'all. Hey, thank you, Freddie. I really appreciate it. Yeah, we're all going to have a great year. Yeah, gotta be less greedy, Javier. Yeah, it happens. Sometimes I'll get close to a payout, and then I'll just like fumble the bag, getting greedy, trying to force it, and then I'll literally just end up blowing the account, which is like so unnecessary. Yeah, we got 1 hour left to the next hour. Light, probably no personal account. No, I'm not ready for that yet. I learned my lesson last year. I do eventually want to. Right now, here's my plan. I want to get some funded accounts going, get some payouts going, get it nice, keep the funded accounts alive, and then yeah, if I get a lot of good payouts, then maybe yeah, I'll start another live account. But right now, nowhere near a live account. Yeah, it happens, Javier. It happens a lot. Like your psychology changes quite a bit, like when you're like close to a payout, because you're just like, oh my gosh, like I'm right there, I'm so close, like can we get it, you know? So it's all human emotions, you know. I use Tradovate, Canva. I use Tradovate. Same thing as this. Alright, I got a new 5 minute and 10 seconds. Alright, new 5 minute, pushing back down here. Yep. Yeah, you can use live capital on Tradovate. That's what I did. You just start your own personal account. You gotta submit like paperwork and documents and stuff. And then, yeah, you just fund it and then you can literally trade it. Careful, it's a lot more riskier than prop firms. Just careful with a live account. But yeah, my goal is to get some payouts, get some funded accounts. And if I get like a good amount of payouts going, then yeah, we could try doing a live account maybe. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling right now. It's not gonna force anything, but we're coming. Looks like we're coming back down, but might bounce right here. We'll see. Light. I do tilt. Yeah, sometimes I do tilt. But I won't full port. I stopped doing that. But I will sometimes go until it happens, and I'll just like over trade. But I stopped full porting. But yeah, I do sometimes go until. That's why I'm like, just take it easy, take it slow, Case. Come on. Yeah, today we're up $510. Took a short right here, a loss, and then we caught a nice 40-point play to the upside right here. So we're up 25 points on the day, trading 1 mini on NQ. I'm copy trading Gomez right here. Just like on the Tradovate group settings. If you guys want to watch the tutorial, it's in the description below. I just use that. If I'm copy trading one firm, I usually just, most of the time I'll just trade just the Tradovate copy trader. But if I'm trading multiple firms, I use Tradesyncer. Stop full porting. It's just a discipline issue. You just gotta learn, like, don't do it. It's not worth it. Cause you know, in the end, it's not gonna end well. Like, yeah, you might have a good winning day here and there, but majority of the time you're gonna get clapped in the long run. You're just gonna end up blowing accounts. So it's just like, you just don't do it. It's hard. It's a lot easier said than done, but you just can't do it. 2 p.m. Thank you, M5, for saying that. 2 p.m. Eastern. Is that 11? Yeah, I think that's 11. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he speaks. 4X Factory. Thank you, M5. Hey, shout out M5, everyone. He's a mod in our Discord right here. If you guys want to join, link in the description down below. Got a community going. We're at like 950 members. Free Discord just growing. One day at a time, y'all. Yeah, we're kind of just chopping around, y'all. Sorry, not gonna force anything. I'm not gonna force a setup. If I don't see it, not gonna force it. Yeah, but we're just kind of chopping around in this little range right here, just top of the range right here. Yeah, we're just gonna chill right now, honestly. This is so slow. Yeah, I agree, M5. Like, honestly, if we don't see another setup, like, we're already up 500 on the day. We still got 3 trading days left for this account if we want to pass on the 5th day, but we're not going to force it as well. We're up 570 in 2 days, not bad. I'm gonna get some water real quick, y'all. I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'll be right back, like literally less than a minute. Yeah, Kumla, I'm trying to practice good trading habits this year. Be very disciplined. Not gonna force anything. Trying that type of mentality this year. Hey, honestly, like most traders make more by trading less. I had a bad problem with over trading, thinking like, oh, if you trade more, you're gonna make more. But generally, over trading leads to losing more faster. That's what most of the time it leads to. Like if you take like 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3 good setups a day. Like like today, like we took 2 trades. Managed our risk well on the first trade, stopped out. Then we caught a nice 40-point banger right there. You know, we're still up 25 points on the day. Echo Trader Pro. These are just like the 5-minute levels I mark out. I'm just trading off these levels right here. Nothing crazy. Just basically where price is like tapping consistently or rejecting off of. You see like this level right here, like it rejected off here like so many times. Closed below, and then look, it closed above it, and this is where we got stopped out. We took a short right here, first trade. It was a nice RR. We were risking 10 to 15 points to make like 30 or so. So it was a nice risk to reward right there. Just didn't work out. We got stopped out in the range. broke above, looked for a long entry. Here was another level right here. This is the bottom level, and then here's another one right here. Started closing above it, liking that, and then entered long, and then boom. I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'll be right back. We are back. All right, come back up top here. Let's see what it wants to do. We're gonna see like a break and continuation up to the highs of the day, but this is a big level where it rejects off of. And this right here. Hey. Yep, yeah, I'm half Filipino. Lefty music. Dude, it was so funny. I forgot who it was, but on my vlogs, some guy commented like, "Are you Filipino?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm half Filipino." He's like, "Oh, my Pinoy senses were tingling." Freaking Pinoy. That's so funny. Freaking Pinoy senses were tingling. That was hella funny. Yeah, if we want to see a bigger push up, break the highs of the day, we need to break this level right here. This 785 right here is a very big hour level right there. Yeah, let's see, it reject off there numerous times. So if you want to see a continuation up, I want confirmation. I want the 5-minute candle to close above it, ideally. It's Bree, right here, like, if I have a stop. So right here, like, let's say this is your stop loss, right? You just, right here on the side, where the numbers are, you can just drag it. You just drag it like there. You can't, what, can you? Oh, no. No, yeah, you gotta do it on the side right here. So yeah, you just do it on the side. DJ and Trader, yeah, we're going live a lot. Yep, that's the plan. We're gonna start the new year strong. Yeah, Lefty. Yeah, yeah. My mom was like, "Hey, we're going to Vegas," and I was like, "What?" She's like, "Yeah, I bought you a ticket," and I'm like, "Fucking say less. We're going to Vegas." Shit. Bree, you need to do. I think you need to do current position right here. Go into chart settings and go to chart settings and like do current position. And there should be like other parts right here that you can do. You're welcome. You're welcome. Glad to help out. Hell no. 50K is crazy. There's that one YouTuber, Corey Eyring. His vlogs are pretty good. He would like spin his net worth at the time like on roulette and he won. It's fucking crazy. I was like watching. I was like, holy shit. I mean, seven grand on roulette. Nah, that's crazy. Definitely need to see a... Yeah, if we want to see a continuation, we got to see this break right here, honestly. Don't want to force it. I just go fishing, Dave. I kind of want to get into hunting like boars and stuff, but I'm like, I don't know where to freaking hunt around here in California. Shit. But fishing is like, you can fish all over the place. I love going to lakes and stuff. Nice, Bree. Yeah, we took one loss right here, and then we took another nice win. We're up 500 on the day. That's good though. Yeah, we're starting the new year strong. Good job, Bree. Yeah, deer's pretty good. Venison, if you have tried venison, deer, it's pretty good. One time they sold it at a grocery outlet, and I was like, should I buy this? Well, it turned out pretty good. Oh yeah, Dave. There's a lot of deer. There's a lot of deer here. I see them all the time. Like the lakes I go to, there's a freaking herd of like over 100 deer. Like literally 100 deer. I was already fishing, and then I just saw like a massive herd of deer just like walking. I'm like, holy crap! They're all just staring at me, but then they started eating grass. It was kind of beautiful. It was like some National Geographic stuff. Yeah, good job. Thank you. M5, yeah. I don't like jury duty now. Yeah, jury duty's pretty. Yeah. I'd much rather be trading. You live dangerously. Nice, Dave. Yeah, there's a lot of deer, like a lot. They're just like in herds, eating grass. Thing for Thailand. How often do you go to Thailand, Dave? I know you were there last year a lot, right? Got a worn out because Jesus. Yeah, sometimes I heard that they take jury duty like pretty seriously. Like they'll literally like put a warrant on your ass or something. Like if you get pulled over, it'll show there, and they're like, oh. Yeah, I heard people, you just like make an excuse to get out. Dude, one time I literally got called for jury duty. I think it was like 2 years ago. And the guy on trial was accused of like murdering this lady with a pencil and breaking into her house. And I literally looked at the guy and I'm like, dude, I already know he's freaking guilty or something. And I was like, hell no. And I knew it was going to be a long-ass trial, and I'm like, please don't call me back. But they let me go. They said, oh, it's okay, you can go. And I'm like, woo! It was crazy. I'm like, Hell no, I do not want to deal with that. Alright, coming back here. Like I said, guys, just being patient. If I want to see a push up longer, I would like to see a break of this level. Maybe enter long, maybe down here, maybe or so. Nice, Dave. I see the food's really good there. In freaking Thailand, I see you posting that. They looks pretty fire. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Like, when I was sitting there, I was looking at the guy, and he had that, like, weird look in his eye, and I'm like, dude, this dude's freaking guilty, bro. I'm like, I do not want to deal with this. Dirty Lake. Alright, so I'm going to push back down here. Maybe look for a long around here, maybe. Stay on my hands right now, being disciplined on it. I think they do. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know how often they'll send you for jury duty. I don't know if it's once a year or something or what. Alright, price coming back down here. May look a little double top right here, coming back down. Kind of rejecting off this top area right here. Yeah, yeah. Today's price action was a lot better than yesterday. We got some decent movements, clear movements. Want to see what price wants to do around here. I want to see how it reacts. Yo, what up, Disciplined Futures Trader? Yeah, Monaco, they have like those like what, Lamborghinis, Bugattis everywhere or something. Hey, thank you, Jones. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, he's speaking in 30 minutes. Yeah, he's speaking in 30 minutes. SPY is chilling near the highs. Nvidia is going down. All right, we got a new 30-minute, 5-minute candle, 10:30. Not all the time. The only one I really will watch is Nvidia because it's a big percentage of NQ. Yeah, Nvidia is like 9% of NQ. But like right now it's diverging from Nvidia is diverging from NQ. You see how like Nvidia is going down and QQQ is still like kind of pushing up. SPY is pushing up at all-time highs. So it does diverge. Herbs for health. Yeah, these are 5 50K challenges. We've got 5 take profit 50Ks. And yeah, these are the balances right now. We're up 500 on the day. Trying to get them funded. YM. Yeah, a lot of people are trading YM this year. Or recently. Let me look at YM. Holy crap. Yeah, that's pretty bullish. Jesus. Yeah, I'm in California, PST time zone. Hey, thank you, Bern. Appreciate it. Yeah, I try to be as honest and transparent as possible because I know the trading space is a little sketchy at times. We're seeing a bounce right here. Yeah, I like the 50Ks and then the 150Ks. Those are pretty much the only 2 account sizes that I would trade. Yeah, NQ. Yeah, that's pretty much only thing I trade. Bree, yeah, I traded Apex 2024. I got like 130K in payouts. No payouts this year. No, not yet. Just starting. We're just trying to get some funded accounts going. Damn, that's pretty good. Hey, good job, Bern. Dude, that's a great way to start the year. Yeah, we got 30 minutes left. 25 now. Let's see if it wants to bounce right here or wants to break down lower. Nvidia is dropping hard now. It's breaking the lows for the day. SPY looks like it's coming back down a little. Yeah, Nvidia is ripping down hard. Sorry if it's a little boring, y'all. Just taking it slow. Not gonna force a trade if I don't see a setup. Yeah, I have both cats. Fear, greed. They're sleeping right now. They were literally had the zoomies when I first started streaming. No, you're not there. I could probably show them in a little bit. I gotta find them. They're sleeping right now. 100K payouts. Hey, whatever the market gives me, I'll take. You know, I'm not gonna force a number payout. I notice I got burned doing that. I keep focusing on the number. So whatever I get with these accounts, even if I get any, I'll be happy with it. Yeah, my goal is to get these accounts funded, have 5 funded accounts to take profit, and then trade them live on stream, and then maybe some other accounts if I keep growing, and then hopefully take payouts for y'all. Yeah, the MyFundedFutures is pretty nice. They moved the payout caps to 100,000. And you can have 550K pro accounts. No, I got some other challenges going. Yeah, I got some other challenges going, but I haven't traded them yet. Probably trade them soon. But we're working on this TakeProfitTrader group. Yeah, I started light, honestly. Like one account. I mean, you could get good payouts. Like you can make good income with one account, honestly. I mean, like the take profit. I mean, $100, $102, no activation fee, daily payouts with a 50K account is pretty good. Bouncing again off this bottom range. It's coming back up here. Have you gone live? I've gone live with MyFundedFutures. I made some videos about it if you want to check out my channel. I got like 11 grand in payouts with that account. I think it was a good account. It was pretty nice. I could take daily withdrawals. Yeah, $200 a day adds up pretty quick. Like, it adds up really quick. Hey, D. Lorenzo. Dude, that's my first donation. Hey, thank you, brother. I really appreciate you. Thank you, D. Lorenzo. Really appreciate you, brother. First donation, that's pretty sick. Hey, shout out to D. Lorenzo, everyone. He's an OG subscriber. Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, M5. Yeah, I got 550Ks. That's the goal. Like, literally just, like, get a funded account, get these to funded, get it to the buffer, and then just, like, hopefully, like, trade and take daily withdrawals. That's the plan. If I get to the buffer, I'll probably trade micros, like 5 micros on these probably. Just like aim for small days, base hits. Like imagine this was a funded account, y'all. $500 each. Like I'm done on the day. That's like $2,500 after the fees. I'm getting $2 grand. $2 grand in like an hour of trading. Like, dude, that's 2 racks. That's the power of copy trading. Like 550Ks. Like I paid $510 for these accounts, but it's like. That's if we pass him and all that. Yeah, like whatever is like for you. You just work for what you got. Don't force anything. Like if you want, yeah, $50 a day. What's wrong with $50 a day? That's good. That's great. Yeah, thank you, D. Lorenzo. I appreciate you. You trade your own person. No, this year no personal account. I learned my lesson last year. You can watch my videos on it. I blew it pretty bad, but that was 100% my fault. I took off my daily loss limit. It was trading horrible. Yeah, honestly, the goal is to get these to fund it, like, have, like, yeah, 5 accounts, daily withdrawals. Take, like, 1 to 2 trades a day. Like, look, 2 trades, and I'm done on the day. But we got Trump speaking in 18 minutes. Yeah, like when you're over trading, it's so mentally fatiguing and it gets you so tired. It's like why am I even doing this? Like I like the sniper approach. Like 1, 2, maybe 3 good trades, nice A+ setups. Boom, take it. Not like just like machine gunning it and going crazy. Yeah, when I overtrade, I just feel so tired and fatigued after. Like, dude, there's a few times I traded from market open to close, and I'm like scratching my head. It's so bad. It's not worth it. All right, coming back to this top of this range right here, it's just making kind of like a triple top right here. SPY is breaking the new all-time highs still. It keeps pushing. Damn. Yeah, it's really bad. Man, yeah, there's times where I was trading for like, 6 hours. I can't imagine from Asia Open to New York close. That's a long time. Yeah, you definitely lose a few days after that. All right, we're touching the highs of the day right now. This is a big key level, 785 right here. This is a big hourly candle. You just tapped it. This is a big reject area. Rejected it here a lot of times. We want to see if it breaks it. Big hourly level. If it breaks it and closes above it, we can see maybe a bigger push up. But for right now, it just tapped it again. It's big reject zone. What's DYLL? DYLL. All right, new 5-minute. We got 1045 candle. All right, looks like we're pushing up. Spies continuing highs of the day. Yeah, FOMO, feeling a little FOMO right now, but gonna be disciplined. I'm not gonna force it. I just don't want to just jump in right now. Gotta be careful. Just gotta make sure it's. I want to make sure it closes above and continues up. This could be like a wick or something. Yeah, it's ripping pretty hard right now. Yeah, it broke out that hourly level. I would like a pullback to enter long. I'm not just going to jump in right here. Also, we got to be careful, y'all. We got Trump speaking in 13 minutes, so be careful. Be careful. Yeah, it's pretty easy to open a live account. You just got to submit some paperwork and tax stuff and all that. But yeah, it's daily withdrawals. There's a 10-day waiting period after your deposit, so you need to deposit. And then you need to wait 10 days, and then you can take withdrawals after that. There's a waiting period. Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, especially after I noticed after 3 trades, like you're not thinking correctly. You're not thinking like full capacity. This is the desktop version. I just have it on my computer. Timmy. Javier, it depends if you're just, you could trade as, I think, a personal account, and then you can also trade as like a business. It depends what you are, what you do. Yeah, I'm gonna try more sniper trading this year, less machine gunning. It's a lot less stressful. Sometimes I wait for the candle to close, but sometimes I'll jump in if it hits my level, or, you know. But I would probably wait for a pullback around around 785, 790 area probably. But I don't know if we'll get there. That's the problem. See, I don't want to just jump in right now. It's too risky in my opinion. And we also got Trump speaking in 10 minutes. All right, new 5-minute. We got 1050 candle. All right. Waiting for a pullback. Maybe see a Henry Long. To me, I probably won't say the amount, but I made a really good amount. 2024. I made a really good amount on that 300K. Like 6 figures. Top Step. Not at the moment, but I'm just focusing on these accounts right now. Just because, like, I feel like there's better options right now with besides Top Step. Like, Top Step's still a good firm, but with their recent issues, like a Tradeify account, you could get the select option in the 5 days. Basically, like a Top Step account. It's literally basically like that. Or you could get daily payouts. So it's like, and you can copy trade 5 firms. You can trade on Tradovate. It's like, I don't know. I'd rather just trade with other firms at the moment. But yeah, if I get more payouts or something, yeah, I'll probably scale with them or something too. Mr. Trump, 8 minutes, y'all. 8 minutes and counting. Yeah. I noticed that, like, stop forcing a number, stop focusing on a number. You don't just go into the day and be like, oh, I'm gonna make $1,000 today, and then I'm gonna stop. You take what the market gives you. Like today, did I expect to make $500? Absolutely not. I just took two good trades, 1 loss, 1 win, and we're up. I took what the market gave me, you know. Top Steph gonna rug pull soon? I hope not. They're an OG firm. I hope they don't. Because they're still like top dog in the top biggest firms still. Tons of people still use them. Their Discord, I think, has like over a ton of members. Let me check. Their Discord has a lot of members. Yeah, Top Step Discord has 153,000 members. That's pretty big. If it doesn't retest it, I'm not tripping. Honestly, I don't feel tilted. It is what it is. Like, I'm not gonna force it. Like, if I end today up 500, I'm happy with that. Like, I still got 3 trading days left on these accounts. You just take what the market gives you. Like we were saying, you don't force a setup. Like, I wouldn't want to do it like a long ride here. You know, like, it's a little risky. So I think it's actually good that I'm sitting on my hands. You know, that's practicing good behavior, good trading habits. That's what we want. We want to be disciplined, practice good trading habits, don't force anything. That's ready to go. Troel, yeah, I heard they ask for the strategy. You gotta explain your strategy or something. Some people have to show like recordings and stuff with Apex. Lefty, Top Step, yeah, they have a no activation fee challenge. It costs more, or they have the original activation fee one. They have like 2 options. That's crazy, M5. Freaking Top Step banned you. What the heck? Alright, got a new 5 minute in 5 seconds. Oh, that's crazy. 2 trading days and then the next 2 trading days. It's kind of wild. I don't think of any other firm that does that really. That's crazy. Yeah, right now, Christian, I'm just focusing on other firms right now. Yeah, they did me dirty in the past. They put me on probation and stuff, and it was a big mess. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, it's a great firm. That's why I'm with them right now. Like, literally daily payouts. The only thing I don't like is the trailing drawdown in the funded account when you first start. Like, that's pretty much the only thing I don't like. And then maybe like the 5 trading days on the challenge. I don't really like that. But it kind of makes sense for the daily payout option because you can literally get the payouts on day 1. Jesus. Yeah. DYLLs, yeah, you gotta tell them like everything. Like, oh, I trade this, correlating with the S&P 500, blah 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 blah. Keenva, they never told me. They just put me on probation randomly one day, right when I was on my like last 2 days of payout, close to payout or something. It was very close. I had a $50,000 payout locked in with Apex, and then they put me on probation, and they never told me why. And I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, Dave, I agree. Yeah, if you're just a new trader, like literally just focus on like one firm, honestly. Like literally one firm. Focus on that. Get comfortable with it, get payouts, and then you can scale from there. And if you're a newer trader, I would highly suggest going to an end of day drawdown account. It doesn't really make sense to go with a trailing drawdown account because it's a lot harder to trade for you, honestly. Yeah, AI, you can literally tell like ChatGPT, like make me a smart response to my strategy and use a lot of fancy words and stuff. That's kind of crazy that they ban you because you cussed at him. I mean, it's a free country, but I don't know. All right, everyone. Trump speaking in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. We'll see what happens. We don't know where it's going to go. 1 minute, 1 minute. All right, 20 seconds. Yeah, trailing drawdown. Yeah, it's kind of in the mind, but it definitely is harder to trade. It's harder to let your winners run. Definitely. Yeah, you could do that, Trell. ChatGPT AI is pretty damn smart, dude. All right, we got the new hour, 4-hour candle as well. Trump speaking. Breaking the highs of the day. Okay, oh, and there's actually another pretty big 4-hour level right where it's at right now, kind of. $8.10 area. Hey, thank you, Dills. Appreciate you joining in. Appreciate y'all. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna live stream tomorrow as well. I'll be here live. I don't know what time, but I'll be live. I'll be live. Yeah, I'll be live tomorrow. Maybe same time around 9, if not sooner. Want to see a break 8.10 right here. Big 4-hour. Kind of rejecting off that 4-hour level. Thank you, Deal. See you tomorrow. Yeah, price action 2024 was definitely different. Definitely different. Yeah, that was peak trading. Summer 2024. Oh man, June to August. Yeah, 2025 was a lot different. A lot different. Hey, thank you, Timmy. Appreciate the video's help. That means a lot. Troel, did you request a payout with the 30% negative P&L? Like, did you request one and they deny it, or what happened? Alright, bouncing right here. Looking to test this level right here again. Yeah, honestly, like even if I take a long right here, it's not really the best risk to reward, honestly. It's not really that much. It's not a good setup. Damn, that sucks, Trail. Well, at least they didn't wait till you got to the payout, sent the payout in, and then denied it and told you to trade another 8 days. So that's the good thing about that part, but it still sucks. Yeah, it happens, Terrell. There's a few times where I left subscriptions open, where I forgot to cancel them, and I got charged, and I'm like, what the heck? But sometimes some firms will like let you like get a refund if you haven't traded accounts. Make sure you don't trade those accounts if you get rebuild like that, and just email them saying, hey, can I cancel it? Can I get a refund? Most of the firms will give you a refund. Most. I don't know about Apex. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to call it here. Not a lot of price action moving on. Very slow, choppy. Trump was speaking 10 minutes ago. Didn't move anything, really. We took a short right here. Took a 13-point loss. Nothing crazy. We managed our risk well. Got stopped out. Then we took a nice 40-point trade right here. Boom. At our peak, we're up 50 points. Trailed our stop loss to break even, and then in profit. Trailed it to 40 points in profit. Very nice. And it's just doing this slow, choppy grind right here. Nothing crazy. I appreciate everyone for watching, tuning in. I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for tuning in. Growing the channel one day at a time. I'm going to live stream tomorrow as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow live streaming. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.